Hey everyone, how's it going? Come on in. Sorry, we did not do any sort of pre-show today.
We did
We were
not.
just backstage chatting away. Um, so today's event was supposed to be account cleanup with Ryan DePetta, who is sick and not going to be able to make it. Um, so where's the chat? There it is. Hello. Hi, Scott. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Allison. Thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Um, so, uh, come on in.
Come on in. Yes. Clean up
So,
on Kyle's demo account.
Joshua, I'm happy to tell you all I know about account cleanup. I am opted into all those betas, but I will not be able to answer your questions. uh, so I think for the moment, I'm gonna do our normal housekeeping,
That's good. I think that's a
because
good
why
idea.
not? And then we will go from there. Um, so yeah. Do. Welcome, everybody, to another event of the HubSpot Admin's HUG. I'm Kyle. This is Deanna. We're your hosts for this show. We're here every Tuesday talking about HubSpot stuff. And generally, we have a member of HubSpot's product team here giving a deep dive into a particular part of the product. If you are not familiar with this page, you should bookmark it. You should love it. You should stay familiar with it because this is your source of truth for everything we're covering here. Next week we'll be talking about AEO, HubSpot's new tool for helping you get found through LLMs. It's pretty cool. We had got a taste of it during Spring Spotlight here at the Admin Hug a month or two ago. Now we're gonna have a deep dive just on that. June 23rd, Commerce Hub updates. I've been seeing a lot of updates for Commerce Hub coming through, especially recently. Feels like it's building to something big, so we're gonna have that team explain what's going on and show you everything that's new. And the week after, we'll focus just on CPQ. And then come July, we're going to talk about attribution reporting, user permissions. We have more events we'll schedule as time goes on. So keep an eye on this page. Uh, we have a YouTube channel. Today's event will, I guess, be recorded. And all of our events get recorded, and we put it here on YouTube. So if you ever miss one or want to rewatch one or share it with a friend, you can do that. We are getting very close to doing a show and tell. I've been saying this for a long time. We really just need one or two more people to nudge us over the edge. So please, please, please. I know you're all building cool stuff in HubSpot all the time, and don't feel like it has to be. Some of you are so good at HubSpot now, you don't even recognize how remarkable you are. If there's something you do on a regular basis, or you're so glad you did, or you wish you had known when you were new, anything you think would be valuable to an admin anywhere in their journey as an admin, not just the super geniuses that a lot of you are, but even new folks too, please sign up. I think this peer-to-peer learning is so powerful. We have space on HubSpot community, but we are more active on LinkedIn. So be sure to connect with me and Deanna personally. We would love to hear from you, talk to you, and get to know your situation. We have this group on LinkedIn. We also have an admin hug handle. Those are all great ways to keep up with what's going on. Again, we're here every Tuesday. If you have ideas, fill out this form, let us know, or just tell me or Deanna directly. And Deanna has built this lovely resource page that has everything I just covered and more. So if you want to keep up with admin stuff, there you go. Now let's talk about today. Thank you. 130 folks in the room. This is great. I apologize. Ryan DePetta is a really wonderful product manager who has been here at the Hug a couple of times. I don't know, at least once. He is now in charge of the account cleanup section that exists inside, I think, just enterprise accounts. But that is a thing he has invented and built from the ground up. And he was going to be here and give you a deep dive and show you his roadmap and answer all your questions. But he is sick. He sent me a Slack saying he feels like he's dying. I hope that is hyperbole, and we will have him back here
Poor
another
buddy.
day. But we will not have him here to talk about account cleanup today. So I would love for all of you in the chat to sound off. I'm happy to show you what I know about account cleanup, but I do not have Ryan's deep knowledge. I will not be able to tell you the roadmap of where they're going or answer any of your questions about why it is built the way it is built. And then also, I have just some general thoughts about the direction we're headed with as an admin community. I would love your feedback on. And so we can do that instead or also. Deanna, things
Mhm.
you would like to cover today?
Um, I mean, I always want to hear what you have to say because you get to go in there and dive in and try things out with zero consequence. So I love that.
True. Yeah, no, and this could actually be really fun because account cleanup, uh, sort of remarkably to me, a lot of what it does is deleting stuff, which I can imagine is very scary to all of you who have, like skin in the game. But for me, in my little world of HubSpot theory, I am happy to push all the buttons so you can see what happens when they get pushed. So we will start there.
Yeah.
And that'll be good. So let me, I got HubSpot pulled up here. I will share my screen once again. Um, and so account cleanup has its own. This is the settings page. Click the settings gear. You come here. Account cleanup has its own little section here. How is the zoom, Deanna? Should I zoom in a bit? Is this okay?
Yeah, can you make it a teeny bit bigger? You've got a lot of white space on there.
Like
There you
that?
go. That's better.
Okay. So, okay, let me move all the Zoom stuff. I know you can't see it, and I look like a crazy person, but all right. Cool. So this is account cleanup page. This has been growing really rapidly. Ryan and his team have been pretty busy. Let me get the chat pulled up here because I would love to hear what people are saying. Um, yeah, Jeanette, makes sense. This started out, it was just a couple of marketing assets, and now it has all these different objects. Companies, contacts, deals, leads, orders, projects, tickets are all fairly new. Over in marketing assets, blog posts, landing pages, marketing emails, reports, segments, website pages, and workflows. The vast majority of these are deleting things. Website pages and landing pages archive stuff, but they're just yesterday launched a private beta. I'm not in. I only do public betas that delete those things too. So it seems like maybe some of the feedback they got was it was not deleting aggressively enough, which great. So we'll click into some stuff and we'll see what
Click
it
some
looks like.
stuff.
Yeah. So give me let's start with an asset. Someone make a request. Which one of these should I click into first? Do
Report.
reports. Got it. So we'll set up reports. That's great because I haven't done that one yet. So for all of these account cleanup things, you have some filtering things up at the top. So for reports, it's not updated in the last and not viewed in the last. So updated would be the report hasn't been edited or created, I guess. And you can go from 3 months all the way to like 3 years. And then not viewed in the last. So for reports, this is especially telling, right? How often do you all get asked to build a report that the VP of sales says is really important and needs today, and he or she takes it to one meeting the next Friday and then never looks at it again, right? Daily is how
Nobody
often.
gets that. Nobody gets that.
And so you can choose, and so for my account, reports that have not been updated in the last 6 months and not viewed in the last 6 months. There are 13 of these reports, right? And we can click into them and open them up and look at them. We can see last updated at, last viewed at. Some of the last viewed at columns are empty. Very sad. Not surprising in my account. And then you have additional filters. You can see particular owners. Tagging reports, I don't know how many of you do this. Tagging dashboards recently became a thing, but you can manage these tags and then sharing. I don't actually know what this filter is doing here, but anyway. So you can search through these, see if a particular report you can click, and then down at the bottom you have this clean up and automate button. So if we click that, um,
Success.
success, it's done. So now, if we go to the manage button, we can come back here, and so far there are no reports. So I think did it just delete all those reports? That's pretty fast.
That was very
That's
fast.
cool. So that's how it works. And similarly, if we look at, yeah, it's terrifying. uh, if we look at, if we come into contacts, delete unused contacts not modified in the last. A contact is considered unused if it is a non-marketable contact, so that's one thing to know. And then yeah, if a contact hasn't been updated in the last 3 years, let's just go ahead and delete it. Looks like I don't have any. Maybe I'm actually updating my, or maybe I have all my contacts set to marketing contacts. I don't know.
Yeah.
But then you can add additional filters similar to building a segment on the CRM object ones. You can get much more. Okay, here are my deals that haven't been updated in the last 3 months. And you could add additional filters, right? If you want to look at specific, I assume like pipeline stage is in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, you can filter, and then same thing. You can automate this, and we just deleted a whole bunch more deals. Woo! This is thrilling. And then a good thing to know is that
Free.
all of this, I believe, appears in audit logs. Uh, we're supposed to, I thought. Let's see. CRM object. I don't do much with audit logs. Not deletion. Yeah. Anyway, my understanding is you can see things in here, but it doesn't look like they've appeared yet. That is about the extent of what I know about account cleanup. There's some stuff down here too where it'll uh what is recommend different things you can do. You should organize your forms in folders and um, resolve your workflow errors. This one, so organize workflows into folders. I'm going to click this one. There's a beta I just opted myself into that I haven't played around with. That there is okay, this isn't it. But there's a beta that automatically organizes your workflows into folders, which I think is very exciting sounding. But it looks like this just wants me to do it manually.
That does sound exciting. Are you sure you opted into this account?
I think so. I mean, let's see. It's called like, what is it? Filing assistant. Oh, it's a private beta,
Yeah.
so I haven't opted into it yet. But yeah, this is where we're going. It will be an account cleanup, and it'll put all your it'll analyze your unfiled workflows and suggest how to organize them into folders. So this also this feels thematically related. This is maybe something Ryan was going to demo had he been here.
Probably.
All right, so that's account
Scott wants
cleanup,
Scott wants to
huh?
know who deletes deals instead of moving them to stages and why. That's a good
Yeah,
question.
I am curious. So it is. I was excited to have Ryan coming because all of this stuff made sense to me, right? Like if you have reports and nobody's viewing them, by all means, let's get rid of those, right? If you have segments that are empty or workflows that aren't turned on, right? If you
Yeah.
have drafts of blog posts that have been sitting and never been published for 3 years, right? Yeah, it's good to delete all that stuff. All the
Yeah.
marketing asset stuff makes great sense to me. Once you come over to objects, I'm a little unclear on exactly why we're jumping straight to deleting all of these. Um, Deals is interesting because I can imagine there is a world if you don't have a lot of required properties and things where like reps will start to create a deal and then get distracted and leave and come back and recreate it, and maybe you end up with half created records. But I wouldn't jump straight to deleting stuff. So,
Can you
can you
show
show
revert?
revert? So 39 deleted deals. If I click into this, here they are. Oh, yeah, and there's the revert button. And I've deleted some leads, and there are those 13 reports. So here you can see what happened. And yeah, if we want to bring those deals back, which I do, you can disable the automation or not, and you can revert the cleanup. And there it is. Yes, thanks for calling that out,
Good
whoever that
job.
was. Robin, good call. So there's that.
Folks coming for
I can breathe
premium.
again. Great. Yeah, so account cleanup. Again, I think I'll definitely reschedule with Ryan because I think it would be worthwhile to hear him explaining um, who we built this for, why we're building it the way we build it, what the use cases are. Because a lot of this feels pretty aggressive to me. Um, but I think all in all, it's pretty good.
Is there
And you can
anything else you
review.
guys want Kyle to click on so that you don't have to? It's a good offer, guys.
So Robin, this is my understanding is this is an enterprise tool, not tied to any particular hub. Um, Similar to like custom objects, right? I think it is enterprise only, but can it be
Restrict.
restricted by team? That's a great question. I don't actually know users wise who has access to this. And I don't know for sure if it has its own. It kind of smells to me like a admin only feature. But there may just be, yeah, there's no. This would be a good thing to ask.
You would
Breeze.
definitely have to have delete privileges because you're deleting them.
Oh,
So
true. Yeah. Um, do only super admins have access to this account cleanup page? All right, Breeze will answer that one. You could create dynamic records to cleanup segment and use that in the filters. That's cool. Yeah. It requires super admin permissions to use. Um, so just super admins. My
lock it
intuitions
up.
on that were right. Cool. Um, this is fun, guys. Any other buttons in HubSpot you've been scared to push, so you want to see me push so you can see what they do?
Push all the buttons.
'Cause this is an account I break stuff in all the time. I
Ooh, survey cleanup.
Oh,
Mm.
surveys. Yeah, I wonder if that'll come.
How you're handling contacts of employees who aren't at a company anymore, but you want to keep the history. You mean like merging it versus creating a new and putting all of there and deleting the other one?
No, that was not the thing I wanted. Yeah, association labels are great. Okay, we'll see you next week.
See you next week, guys. Bye,
Bye,
friends.
everyone.
Welcome to the Admin HUG. No flash, just facts and a whole lot of love. Get it done. Accidental or all in by choice. Admin and spies and lift their voice. Fixing fields and hacking time. Making magic with no headline. Kyle drops gold, Tiana brings fire in a crew that's here to lift you higher. We swap the wins and share the pain. No one's solo in this game. It's the Admin HUG, where legends log in. From chaos to clarity, that's how we win. Dirty data challenge accepted, portal perfection fully connected. Quick fix queens, work around kings, custom coded everything. Tabs open, coffee strong. You've been solving all along. We've got the know-how, we've got the map. Even HubSpot protocols up to chat. You're not just heard, you help shape the tools. Admins rewriting all the rules. Thanks for building with the HUG. Thanks for powering the hub. Behind every campaign, push and nudge. There's a whole crew holding tight. Admins together.